Hello students, today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 6, division. In this chapter we will learn how to divide. And why we should learn how to divide? Suppose you have to distribute some chocolates to your friends equally, means each your friends will get equal numbers of chocolate. So how can you find out how many chocolates you have to distribute to your friends? With the help of division. If you know division, you will be able to find out how many numbers of chocolates you have to give to each your friend, so that each of your friends will get equal number of chocolates. Let's see. Suppose you have 6 chocolates. How many chocolates you have? 6 chocolates. And how many friends you have? 1 and 2. Okay. You have 2 friends. And how many chocolates you have? 6. Okay, and how many friends you have? 2. Now what you want? You want to distribute these chocolates to your friends, so that each your friends will get equal number of chocolates. So how will you distribute? The first method is, first chocolate you will give to your first friend. Now you will take second you will give to your second friend. Now you will take this third chocolate to your first friend. Again one more chocolate you will put here. Now this 5th chocolate you will give to your first friend, and this 6th chocolate to your second friend. So how many chocolates each of them get? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, both of them will get 3 chocolates. So this is how you have distributed 6 chocolates among your 2 friends, and each of them get how many chocolates? 3 chocolates. This is known as division. You have divided this 6 by 2, means you have divided this 6 between 2, means each of them will get 3 chocolates. So this is the use of division. Now suppose you have 106 chocolates. So now what will you do? You cannot do like this, okay, by distributing one chocolate to your each friend and distribute all your 106 chocolates. For doing this, what we will learn? We will learn divide. Okay, we will learn division or divide. So now how many chocolates we have? 106. Okay, now we have to divide this chocolates among how many friends? 2. So we divide this 106 by 2. Okay, so let's learn how can we divide. So first we will check the first number. Okay, if first number is smaller than second number, what we will do? We will take 2 digits. Okay, here it is 1, but 1 is smaller than 2. So what we will do? We will take 1 more digits. Now it becomes 10. Now what we have to do? We have to read the table of 2. Means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Okay, and 2 6s are 12. So when you read the table of 2, we have to read the table up to a number which is equal to 10 or less than 10. Okay, so here you can see that if we read the table, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 5s are 10. Okay, when we read a table of 2 up to 5, we will get 10. But if we read the table of 2 up to 6, what do we get? We get 12, which is greater than 10. So we will read only the table of 2 up to 5. So what we will write here? 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract this 10 from 10. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, now what left? 6 is left. Now what we do? We will take down this 6 to here, and we will write 6. Now again what we have to do? We have to read the table of 2, so that we will get a number which is less than or equal to 6. So read the table of 2 again. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. If we read the table of 2 3 times, what we will get? 2 3s are 6, and we will get 0 as our remainder. Okay, whenever we get 0 as remainder, this means 106 is completely divisible by 2. Means if we divide 106 chocolates to our two friends. Okay, 106 we are dividing with 2, means how many chocolates our each friend will get? 53 chocolates will get our first friend and 53 will get our second friend. So this is how we can distribute things equally amongst different things. Okay, suppose we have to distribute chocolates among our two friends equally. What we will do? We will divide. Okay, so this is how we can do division. Okay, now we will learn some of the terms related to division. Suppose we are dividing 16 by 4. Okay, what we are doing? We are dividing 16 by 4. So how can we divide? We know 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, 4 5 is 20. So we know 1 is smaller than 4. So what we have to do? We have to take 2 digits. Now we will take 1 and 6 together. It is 16 now. So we will read the table of 4 how many times, so that we will get 16. 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 4 4 is 16, and 4 5 is 20. But 20 is greater than 16, so we will read the table of 4 up to 4. 4 4 is 16, and we will get 0. Okay, so this is how we can divide. Now we will learn what are these terms. So the number by which we are divided, there is known as divisor. It is known as divisor. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. D-I-V-I-S-O-R. Divisor. Okay, the number by which we are dividing is known as a divisor, and the number which we are dividing is known as dividend. D-I-V-I-D-E-N-D. Okay, and the number which we multiply by divisor to get the dividend is known as quotient. Q-U-O-T-I-E-N-T. And the last digit which we get after whole division is known as remainder. R-E-M-A-I-N-D-E-R. Here in our case, our remainder is 0. Okay. And one more thing, whenever we get 0 as remainder, which means 16 is completely divisible by 4. Okay, so they are the different terms in division. Okay, one more thing, there is a relation between these all relations or all the terms also. Okay, so always remember, dividend is always equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay, what it means? If we multiply divisor and quotient and add remainder in it, we will get the dividend, that is 16. Okay, I am putting the values. In place of divisor I am writing 4, multiply. In place of quotient, our quotient is 4, I am writing 4, and plus remainder is our 0. So if I solve this, 4 4 is 16 plus 0, that is equal to 16, and this is our 16 is our quotient. So when we solve this, we will get dividend. This also means that our division is correct. Okay, if we solve this equation and if we get our dividend, this means our division is correct. Okay, so these are the different terms in division and their relations. Okay. Okay, now we will learn another method of division. In this method we will learn how can we divide using number line. Okay, we will divide with the help of number line. So first I will tell you what is number line. Okay, number line consists of a line on which there are different types of number. Okay, it starts from 0 and goes up to infinite, means there is no end of number line. So there are equal numbers of division: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and so on. Okay, you can write any numbers, okay, on this number line. Now we will learn how can we divide using this. Suppose we have to divide 6 divided by 3. What we have to do? 6 divided by 3. Okay. We have learned one method. What we can do? 6 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, and we will get remainder as our 0. Okay. What is our quotient? 2. And what is our remainder? 0. Okay. This is how we can divide. Now let's see how can we divide this by using number line. So what we have to divide? 6, and by which we have to divide? We have to divide by 3. Okay. Let's see how can we do this. So this is our dividend. So we will take, or we will stand here. Okay. Where we will stand? We will stand on 6. Okay. The number which we have to divide, on which we will stand. Okay. Now this is 3. By which number we have to divide? We have to divide by 3. So we have to jump this number of times, that is 3. Okay. The number of times which we have to divide, or number by which we have to divide, that number of times we have to jump back side. Okay. So we have to divide this 6 by 3. So we will jump 3 numbers back. So this is number 1. We will jump from here. 1, 2, 3. So if we jump from here, where will we get? We will reach 3. So now we will be here. Okay. Now we are here. Now again we will jump. Okay. We will jump up to, we will not reach 0. हमको कहाँ तक पहुँचना है? 0 तक. So again we will jump and we will reach 0. And now this is finished. So how many jumps we have done? First jump we have taken from 6 to 3, and second jump we have taken from 3 to 0. So the number of jumps is known as our quotient. So this is how we can solve. So the result is 2. This is equal to jumps. Okay. So the total numbers of jumps are known as the result of divisions. Okay. So you don't have to make this diagrams or this toys, only you have to make lines like this. Okay. Okay. 6, 3 and 0. Okay. Let's take one more example. Suppose you have to divide 8 by 2. Okay. Now what we have to divide? We have to divide 8 by 2. Okay. So let's see how can we do that. We know that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now where we have to go? We have to reach 8. Okay. Now we are here. And how many steps we have to take? Means how many steps we have to move to reach 0? 2. Okay. How many jumps or steps we have to go back sides? 2 steps. So we are at 8 because we have to divide 8. So how many steps we will move? 2. So 1, 2. The first step we will move this. Now 1, 2. This is our second step or second jump. Again 1, 2. Again we will reach at 2. This is our third step. And again 1 and 2. Now this is number 4. So we have reached 0 now. So how many steps we go back side? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Or how many jumps we have done? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the result of 8 divided by 2 is 4. So this is how we can divide using number line. Okay.